Okay, Van Dads, check this out, Van Dads. This is a storage compartment organizer for your 3rd gen Toyota Sienna. If you've been looking for a way to maybe better organize or keep things hidden, this might be the best thing for you. So let's go and check out what's all inside. Okay, so here's the part number that you're gonna wanna look at, E92408150110. This is gonna be the Sienna bin in gray. Not sure if they make it in other colors, but this is the only one that I could find. And then when you come over here, it's actually gonna come in 4 different pieces. You've got the larger piece here for the larger section, and then you've got the smaller piece here for the smaller section. And pretty much it's gonna have a bin, as you can see, and a little lid here with fabric on it. Nothing too sophisticated, but I think it gets the job done. So if you're gonna wanna put some kids extracurricular stuff in here, the groceries, a purse, or some other belongings that maybe you want to keep tucked away, this is going to be a great way to do it. I think another good thing is that, you know, if you've got some dirty shoes or dirty extracurricular equipment, these are going to be super easy to clean because they are plastic. So you can probably just take them out, put the garden hose on it, soap it up a little bit, and you're done. Dry it up and put it back in, and it's ready to go for the next round. The other good thing is that you will have no problems being able to put stuff on top of these cargo bins as well, because these top pieces are made out of some sort of high density type material, maybe a type of board, so not going to be an issue for you to put some pretty heavy stuff on top. I kind of like that, you know, it comes in 2 separate pieces, because if you wanted to maybe use the deeper space on this side, you can put the seat down, take this one out, and still utilize one side, and vice versa. So this is something that I feel like a lot of Toyota Sienna owners maybe don't realize it exists, but it in fact does. If anybody knows if there's other color options, please leave those down in the comment section below. And hopefully this is gonna give you some new insight into some new accessories on your Toyota Sienna. See you guys in the next one.